Installing MySQL Server and Workbench is the simplest thing to do. You don't need to get stuck anymore because today I will be making it super easy for you. Have you ever wondered what happened when you try to install MySQL but you end up messing up your computer? Therefore, thinking that it's too difficult or too technical? Are you just starting with SQL? You have heard people talking about MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench, and you might be thinking, where do I even begin? Don't worry, because in this video, I will walk you step by step through how to install MySQL Server and Workbench on your computer, even if you've never done anything like this before. By the end of this video, you will have everything ready to start learning SQL, no stress and no confusion. The first step is the one that is by far the most important and yet also the most overlooked, which is downloading MySQL from the official website. Because if you download MySQL from the official website, you will get a safe version that works well and won't harm your computer. Oracle, the creator of MySQL itself, strongly advises users that you should download MySQL product only from the mysql.com to ensure authenticity and reliability. Here is how to download MySQL from the official website. At first, go to your web browser. On Google, type MySQL and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Now go to Downloads menu, go below and click MySQL Community Downloads. Now, MySQL Community Download, click on MySQL Installer for Windows. Here is the current version visible, which is 0.84, and it automatically selects the operating system. Here, two versions are visible, okay? You need to select the second one, which is less than 400 MB. It works for both 32-bit and as well as 64-bit Windows. Click Downloads. Now here, directly click on No thanks you, just start my download. Your download starts immediately, so let's wait. The download completes. After downloading MySQL, there is this one thing that beginners will completely neglect till when it is time to use MySQL to code, where in reality it should actually be the one of the first thing that you should do. That's proper installation. Oracle documentation clearly says improper installation may result in incomplete configuration, unstable environment, failed connection between the server and the client tool like Workbench. Therefore, follow the step-by-step instruction I'm using in this video. After the download has completed, open the download folder, double-click on the ESV file. Installation will start. It will ask for permission. Just click on yes. In the first installer window, it will ask you to choose which setup type you want to install. If you want to install only MySQL Server, you can select this one. If you want to install only client, you can select this option. If you want both server and client and other features, you should select this full. If you want to customize the product, you can click on this custom. I'm going with the full, so let's click on next. Here it will show the directory MySQL is going to install. If you want to change it, you can change it, or you can just click on next. It will show you all the features which you are going to install, like this server, workbench, shell, router documentation, and examples are ready to install. Now, you just have to click execute. One by one, the features are installed. Once all the products are installed, just click on next. Here, configuration of server and router will happen, so click on next. If you want to configure the server, you can configure it here with port number, computer name, but here I am keeping it as required. Just click on next. We need to use strong password for authentication, so keep the default option and click on next. Here the name is root. Password should be strong with one capital letter and one special character and numbers. Enter the password and check for it. With the default option, click on next. Here configuration will happen. Windows configuration, file, and adjusting the Windows service. So click on execute and finish the configuration, and then click on next and finish. Here we need to enter the password which we created earlier. Check if the password is correct. Yes, it's correct. Now server connection has been succeeded, and click on next. It will check by running some script. So click on execute. Server configuration complete. Just click on next. Installation has been completed. Once we click on this finish button, MySQL is open. Welcome to MySQL. The next step I'm about to share with you is perhaps the most disregarded step of all of them, and yet is the one that drives the most results, which is adding MySQL to the system environment part. Adding MySQL to the system environment part is important because it allows you to run MySQL command from any location in the command prompt or terminal without needing to navigate to the folder where MySQL is installed. For this reason, I would advise you to follow this step to add MySQL to your system environment part. Open the File Explorer and this PC, local disk C, program file, MySQL, MySQL Server, and then bin. Go this bar and copy this part. Ctrl C. Go to search bar and type environment. System environment variables will come up. Open it. Under the advanced, environment variable is there. Click on that. Under the system variable, double click on the part. In the pop-up window, click on window and Ctrl V to paste the part we copied from the file. Okay. Our part has been added successfully. Just because you installed MySQL doesn't mean it's actually working yet. There is one quick way to find out. If you skip it, you might run into a big problem later, checking if MySQL installation was successful. It's important because it helps you to confirm that everything is set up correctly and ready to use. Without checking it, you might waste time later trying to figure out why things aren't working. So for you to check whether MySQL is installed properly or not, you need to go to command prompt. Go to search for CMD and hit the enter key. Here, to check MySQL installation status, enter the command MySQL --version, then enter. If MySQL version is showing you 8.01, right, that means MySQL is installed properly and ready to use. So we can check by logging to the server. So for that, the command is MySQL --u. U means username. Your username is root --p. P means password. Hit the enter key. It will ask for password, which we enter while installing the MySQL. Enter the password, hit enter. MySQL server has been started. You can now start coding in MySQL. Also for Workbench, click here. Now you have Workbench. Workbench is a UI to work around MySQL if you don't want to type command. You directly use UI here. But there is something that I didn't tell you at the start of this video, which is this. If you learned something from this video, I want you to appreciate me with 3 things. Number 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, like the video. And lastly, share it with friends. That's all I ask for. See you in the next video.